beautiful people, thank you so much for watching this channel. If it is your first time on this channel, welcome. My name is Sarah, and if you have been here before, welcome back, and I appreciate your coming back. So on this video, I am going to show you how I achieved this beautiful hairstyle that you are seeing right now, and I achieved this with a very affordable product, and this is a very detailed tutorial. Without wasting more time, let us dive into the video. I'm going to put on my wig like this. Of using my got to be glued spiking glue, I am going to apply it using my finger. So as you can see, I have applied my glue all over. It's not on top of my hairline, but it is just before my hairline. It is very important that you apply the glue just before your hairline, and you can wait for the glue to dry up. I could use a hair dryer, but unfortunately my hair dryer now it only works on a hot air, so I don't get a cold air anymore, and we want this thing to be sticky, so I can't use hot air. I have to use something else. So I've been using a paper to dry the glue, and as you can see, it is becoming a little bit clear, so it's best that you wait until the glue is a little bit clear and it is tacky. Don't wait for it to like thoroughly dry. You have to make sure that the glue is tacky or tacky or sticky, and you have to make sure that it clears a little bit, because one thing about this spiking glue is it can be a mess, or it can leave a mess if you don't work nicely with it. So I'm going to pull my hair now. And I am going to lay it like so. This is to make sure that all the glue and all the hair is thoroughly plucked onto your hair. So now that I have applied my silky band, I am going to wait for something like 15 to 20 minutes, mainly because of this glue that I am using. Normally if I have my gut glued blasting spray, I don't wait for long and I don't have to do this step without applying my mousse, but because I struggle a bit with this got to be glued spiking glue, I have to literally do all these steps. And all the hair is glued. Now what I need to do is I have to comb all the hair back. And I am not going to place the mousse on top of the glue. I am making sure that this mousse is not rubbing on top of the glue. And then I'm going to comb my hair nicely. Okay, after doing that, I'm going to do my baby hairs on this side, and then I'm going to use my mousse again. and the reason why I use an extra doek is just to make sure that all the hair is covered, because I have used the mousse almost all over my hair. So I am making sure that the hair is flat and sleek as possible. So we are going to wait for something like 10 to 15 minutes again. Let's have coffee for that. I have used this mousse before, and I have used this one, and these two are very much different from this one. This one is a little bit light, and while it is light, it has an extra hold because it is written a 24-hour hold mousse, so it holds your hair for 24 hours if you are ever going to wear a wig for 24 hours. So guys, as you can see that my hair is looking pretty. So this just happened, so I'm going to use this too. Okay, so I'm going to use this got to be glued spiking wax just to get rid of all the flyaways. But before I do that, let me make this parting visible, because I did not use a stocking cap or a wig cap inside, so the parting is not that visible. So I'm going to use my foundation. This is Fit Me powder. So after using this powder, I am then going to take a little bit of this wax, and I am going to use it on all of these parts just to get rid of the flyaways. For this video, thank you so much for watching, and until I see you on my next video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and comment on the section below, and don't forget to hit that notification button so that you don't miss my next upload.